Hello, Tomlin here. Today's going to be a really short video, but I think you're going to want to watch it because it's something that I'm really excited about. It's something that I do every year. I think this is the 6th year that we're doing it. It's time for my annual Harmonica School Scholarship. So, when I was growing up, I had an absolutely fabulous childhood. Everything was wonderful, but music lessons were not something that my parents could afford. So I taught myself to play guitar, and later on I taught myself to play harmonica. And when I started teaching as a career, I was teaching in schools around Scotland and got to do lots of fun stuff. But what I noticed is that the funding was starting to get cut quite aggressively, and not everyone was getting access to music lessons, and that was something that I wanted to be able to do something about. And the easiest way that I thought I could start doing that a little bit was doing my scholarship to the Harmonica School, because I really don't want financial circumstances to be a barrier for anyone who's excited about learning music. So with this in mind, I'm announcing my 2026 Tomlin Harmonica School Scholarship. What does the scholarship include? Well, I'm giving away 30 places at the school for a whole year, and that's the full fat version of the school, the Harmonica School PLUS. So that includes the curriculum, all of the lessons, the learning materials, the resources, the monthly live sessions, so the workshops and the Q&As, as well as access to the community, and most importantly, access to a teacher who you can upload recordings to every week for feedback. And these are not just random people, these are world-class harmonica players and teachers. We have Todd Parrott, Richard Slay, Sandy Weltman, just fantastic. Absolutely amazing players. I get lessons with them all the time. I'm so lucky to have them as part of the school and to call them friends and teachers and mentors, and you might get access to that as well. So, who is the scholarship for? The scholarship is for anyone who is absolutely, totally out of control in love with learning harmonica, but you need that little bit extra guidance and support from other students, and more importantly from teachers. But you can't quite make the financial side of it work. So that's who it's for. This is not a scholarship to motivate you to practice. You're already motivated to practice. Absolutely anyone can apply to the scholarship, regardless of age or location or gender. I really don't care. Everyone is welcome. We have an unbelievably welcoming and supportive community, and as long as you, as part of that community, do everything you can to keep that going, then you are welcome in our tribe. That's really important. We're called Harmonicats, by the way, just in case you didn't know what the tribe was called. Okay, if you want to apply for the scholarship, you have until the end of December to do so, and all you need to do is click on the link in the description below and follow the instructions there. There's lots of details, and I encourage you to read through all of it. We get hundreds of applications every year, and I can only award 30. But if you don't apply, you're definitely not going to get it. So please, please, please do apply. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I'm super excited about this. I can't wait to welcome new students into the school in January. And remember that financial circumstances should not be a barrier to learning music. So let's all encourage that. And yeah, I'll see you soon. Take it easy. Happy harping.